Today, we take you inside a luxury monkey leather factory to show how premium jackets are made through a precise, high-end production process.
Very few people have ever seen what happens inside this facility. Everything here moves with machine-level precision. At the beginning, life moves quietly across the open fields.
The Pride begins its calm movement across the open land.
Even in stillness, awareness never fades.
Every path leads deeper into control and direction. Each stage is observed before progress continues. The pride gathers as the journey continues forward. And here, the path leads toward the next stage. At the loading zone, preparation begins with precise coordination. Each step is guided with controlled and steady movement.
The final member joins as the loading phase completes.
One by one, the Pride moves into controlled transport space.
The transition into transport begins quietly and carefully. Now, the journey prepares to move beyond the farm. With the load secured, the journey begins beyond the farm. The road stretches forward toward the industrial zone. Stability defines every kilometer of the journey.
The environment begins to shift toward industry.
A new world of processing rises ahead. And now, the journey reaches the processing facility. At the factory gates, controlled flow begins on a large scale.
Each truck is precisely positioned for synchronized unloading. Movement is carefully guided from transport to ground level.
At scale, precision keeps every movement in harmony.
The Pride transitions from open yard into structured pathways.
With unloading complete, the system moves deeper inside the factory. Inside the facility, the environment becomes fully controlled and secure.
Every step follows a structured and guided pathway.
The observation chamber opens with precise mechanical control. Movement slows as the space defines a calm holding stage. The environment stabilizes into controlled observation.
From stillness, the process continues into the next controlled stage.
Inside the facility, raw yellow-colored hides enter the washing stage.
The system begins a controlled cleaning process of yellow hides.
High-pressure washing cleans and refines the yellow hide surface.
Multiple rinsing stages ensure deep purification of yellow hides. Excess moisture is removed from the cleaned yellow hides. The freshly washed yellow hides now move toward controlled drying.
After washing, the yellow hides enter a precision conditioning phase for leather transformation.
Controlled tension aligns the structure for premium leather formation. High-pressure rollers convert structure into uniform leather sheets. Refinement creates a flawless premium leather surface. The material now achieves its final premium leather sheet form.
The transformed material is now ready for luxury product crafting.
The premium yellow leather is prepared for precision cutting layouts. Advanced laser systems begin shaping jacket components. Main jacket body panels are cut with exact precision. Sleeve components are formed with perfect symmetry. Detailed elements like collars and pockets are precisely shaped.
All components are now perfectly cut and ready for assembly.
The precision-cut leather components enter the luxury assembly stage.
Each component is aligned with exact structural precision.
Luxury stitching begins to form the jacket's core structure.
Precision stitching transforms separate pieces into a flawless jacket form.
Detailed elements complete the luxury craftsmanship design. The luxury yellow leather jacket is now fully assembled.
Every jacket undergoes final inspection before luxury finishing begins.
Advanced polishing enhances the natural luxury finish of the leather. A protective coating locks in durability and elegance. Each jacket receives its signature luxury identity. Heat setting locks the jacket into its final premium form.
The luxury yellow leather jacket is now ready for global presentation.